Manati City, low 67, high 78.
The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center issued a Tsunami Watch for the state of Hawaii at 9:03 p.m. An earthquake occurred at 8:49 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. The preliminary magnitude was 7.5. The epicenter was located near 52.5 north latitude, 160.7 east longitude, or in the vicinity of the east coast of the Kamchatka area in Russia. This Tsunami Watch is based on earthquake data only. It is not known at this time whether a Pacific-wide tsunami has been generated. This watch may be upgraded to a warning or advisory based upon dated information. If a tsunami is generated, the estimated time of arrival of the first wave for the state of Hawaii is 2:43 a.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. Updated information will be broadcast as it becomes available. Listen to local news media for updates and instructions from Hawaii Emergency Management Agency.
A weak upper low northwest of Hawaii and higher moisture pooling over and north of the islands maintain higher shower intensity and coverage statewide, with a chance for some heavier downpours into Sunday, especially over windward higher terrain.